When you have an inset face that you want to scale up in a way that conforms to edges around it, pressing S to scale is not ideal when the geometry around the face has a different shape. But pressing G twice conforms the inset face to the surrounding edges as you scale it up. If you want to inset a face, but pressing I creates overlapping geometry, inset only a tiny bit, left click and press S to scale it further. When extruding these faces, we can press Alt E for the extrude menu and choose extrude faces along normals. However, scaling down the extrusion doesn't give a desirable result in this case. Instead, after extruding, we left click to confirm without scaling the extruded faces. Then press S and while scaling, press Shift and the axis you want to exclude from the scaling operation. In this case, Y. In other words, press S and then Shift Y in this case.